If you're thinking about getting a divorce, make yourself a checklist or ask us for a checklist of documents that you want to gather um, before you pull the trigger. So, tax returns and pay stubs are very important. They're going to help you determine child support and alimony. Those are two major issues in your divorce. You also want to get any retirement account statements for as far back as you possibly can go. You're going to want to get credit card statements and bank statements. Those are sort of the first initial tier of financial documents that we will need to assess your case. If you and your spouse, or just your spouse, have recently applied for any type of loan with a bank or financial institution, please get a copy of the financial application, the financial statement that was filled out for that bank. A lot of times people want to present themselves in the most financially favorable light when they're applying for a loan, but then all of a sudden when they're going through a divorce, they want to say they don't have any assets anymore. I have won a lot of cases showing that somebody represented their income on a financial statement immediately prior to filing a divorce, and they obviously have money that maybe they didn't disclose. If you have any other particular documents, particularly if somebody has a business, if your spouse is an owner or partial owner of a small business, they may have like a QuickBooks file that you have access to because you've helped them with it through the years. You can bet your access to that is going to disappear when you file for divorce. So if you are able to get your hands on business documents like profit and loss statements, assets and liabilities, business tax returns, those can be super helpful when you're going through divorce.